Dear students, today let us discuss about that is new topic coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Yes, look here. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Okay. So already you learnt in previous class some lines and some points and etc. So this is second chapter of in ninth standard. Already finished one chapter polynomials. Okay, first I am going to definitions. What is meant by coordinate geometry? What is meant by coordinate geometry? So coordinate geometry means in another name is there. One is analytical geometry. This one also called as analytical geometry. Analytical geometry. Analytical geometry. Analytical geometry or coordinate geometry. Analytical geometry means or coordinate geometry means the definition is an algebra. The study of algebra through hand geometry is called coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. The study of geometry through hand algebra is called analytical geometry or coordinate geometry. So this is very beautiful definition actually. So how do you find out the study of geometry through hand algebra? So we know that algebra definitions, that is a branch of mathematics which deals with only some algebraic terms. That is called a algebra. Okay, study of algebra through hand geometry. How? Very simple. So we know that some algebraic terms in English, capital letters and small letters, A, B, C, D, small letters, A, B, C, D, capital letters. These are the some algebraic terms. So I am taking one geometry concept. You see, you take one straight line. This is one straight line. Straight line. So denote the 2 points. Here one point, here one point. You know definition straight line. Joining any 2 points, it is called a straight line. So give a name here. Point. Always points is denoted by only English capital letters. So A is a one point, B is a one point. A is a one point, B is a one point. So you see this line, it is involved geometry. ಇದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಲೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಲಿ? A and B are the 2 points. A and B, it is related to algebra. So this is the one best example for the coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. So this means the study of geometry through an algebra is called analytical geometry or coordinate geometry. So you taking another example. I am taking one triangles. You taking a triangle A B C. ABC is a triangle. But so point A, point B, point C. These points are related to geometry. This is geometry related. A, B and C are related to algebra. This is also one best example of the coordinate geometry or analytical geometry. Okay. So okay, next I am going to how do you find out the coordinate geometry. So we know that some rules and definitions of the geometry. ನೀವು ಜಾಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಮಿಟ್ರಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್. Numbers line, like this numbers line. You see, this is number line. So here 0, here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the positive values, these are the negative values. Okay, next, to take some geometric concept, join like this. 1, this can be written as 1 comma minus 1. This is positive, this is negative. So in this case, this value is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So find the joining the numbers in the example minus 4 comma 2. Minus 4 comma 2. Take like this. Minus 4 comma 2 means minus 4, that 2. Minus 4 comma 2. Okay. So this system, it is called a one coordinate system. Coordinates. First, I am going to the definitions. Coordinates. Okay. This is one best example of the analytical geometry or coordinate geometry. So you take two straight lines. First I am taking two straight lines. Let x o x dash be a straight line, and y o y dash be another straight lines. These two straight lines mutually perpendicular meeting at O. ಇದನ್ನು O ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇವೆರಡೂ ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡಲ್ಲೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So in this case xo x dash is called x axis. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x axis ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. x axis. yo y dash is called y axis. y axis. Then the system of x axis y axis is called a coordinate system. So in this case, this point it is called a origin. O be a origin. ಇದನ್ನ origin ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ two straight line ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋದು. two straight line ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ origin ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. What is the value of origin? So in this case 0, x axis values 0 ಇದೆ, y axis values ಸಹ 0 ಇದೆ. So this values it is called 0, 0. So next ox dash it is involved only positive values. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. oy it is involved only here also positive values. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So then here read as ox dash involved only positive values. ox dash. So actually you take like this x dash. Best. ox it is involved only positive values. oy it is involved only here also positive values. Then oy dash it is involved negative values. Negative values. So in this case ox dash is also involved negative values. Okay, so did you understand this one? So this is very important. Here let x o x dash be x o x dash and y o y dash be a two lines mutually perpendicular meeting at O. Meeting this place it is called a origin. the value of reason is 0 comma 0, and this means x-axis value is also 0, y-axis value is also 0. Okay na? So next, so this place year to year, ox it is inward only positive values, oy it is positive values, ox dash is negative values, oy dash it is inward negative values. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So next class I will explain only here. So what type of values is there, year to year, positive, next year to year. Okay, right now.